Oh yes, that's the spot. Oh my gosh, this knee massager is so awesome. So I kind of just picked up this knee massager from the TikTok shop because it was running like half off. And you guys can't tell me that this does not look like some saw contraption. But I can tell you guys right now that this feels like the complete opposite of a saw contraption. Your knee is gonna be thanking you later. This whole display screen here is touchscreen, so you can up the vibration and even up the heating. If your imagination's wild enough, then you can probably use this for other things too. You can put it on your left knee, put it on your right knee, and you can even walk around with it too. It don't matter if you play sports or you just an old boomer. Y'all could use one of these right there down below.